Welcome to a really special lock. So this one was sent to me and pinned by Trekmaster30. He named it OneYear and it's his anniversary lock for his channel, and the very same lock that he used and repinned and modified in his recent video about how to make challenge locks. So really cool lock and really cool bitting. Two very deep cuts in the middle and two shallow ones in the back. Works really nice and is locked up. So I protect the end of the keyway and I use a 1.3mm Peterson pry bar to tension the lock on the pin side, and I start with a modified Peterson jam in 18 thousandths. There's not much room here to work all the way from the end of this keyway to the very top here. I will try to find the hole here in the warding to pick the lock, and maybe I have to change the strategy later on, but for now I try that. Pins in the back are binding. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. Yep. So some clicks here, but no feedback on the plug yet. Maybe I've overset something, so I try again. That's 6. Okay, 5, and the core turned a little bit. That's a hard work here with this lock to get any kind of feedback. Oh, nice. It was 6 and the plug turned a little bit more. So it seems we're making progress. I'm not really light at the tension currently, so at least medium tension. Okay, I'm releasing tension a little bit. Maybe we have serrated pins here that are binding really hard. Try to get them loose. Maybe I've overset something. That was funny. Okay, that feels better now. nice. I believe that was 2. Maybe it's a counter milled chamber. Really tricky lock here. I thought there was counter rotation from one of these pins. Yeah, there is counter rotation. Come on. Uah. Maybe I got it, but definitely lost some other pins. Oh, nice. Force set increased. Counter rotation again from 5, and it's not yet open. Cool. Really nice lock. Now it's given feedback. Come on. Maybe it's just a T-pin. So I'm not afraid of oversetting in this state. Okay, I think there is feedback from 1. Huh. And now I overset 1 as it looks like. I really lighted the tension. I hope to recover the state here. 1 returned. Touch 2 and force set increased again. But it's not at the very deep, and it's open. Wow, that was a tricky lock. Wow. All right, so now let's try to be quick with the gutting. We can see modification in 1 and 2 counter milling, and 3, 4 and 5 threaded. 6 is unmodified. All right. I really don't know where this piece here came from. Okay, so let's first have a look at the chambers in the Bible. Some of them are threaded. So let's see. Looks like one is one is threaded. No, it's not. 2 also not. 3 is threaded. But there's some 1 is counter milled. That's funny. Never had a lock with a counter milled chamber of the Bible. So 3 is threaded, and 3, 4 and 5 are threaded. Yep. Okay, now let's sort these pins. Maybe that was this one. Yeah. So this belongs to here. Then we have pin in pin here, and this is like a telescope pin. Maybe that sits on top of here. Ah, that makes sense. Wow, awesome lock, fantastic pins. So yeah, springs are all the same, not so interesting here. Okay, let's have a close look to these amazing pins. Okay, we have a slightly tapered key pin in one, makes oversetting easier, with a very cool looking spool, extremely thin and sharp edge here. Then we have a serrated key pin in two with a drunken spool, I believe that's the name. It's a it's like a needle or a nail with a tip here in this hole here, and this makes it possible for two to give a very deep false set, because it can get an angle here with this tip in the hole. It doesn't have to stay straight as it would be for a normal spool. Then we have a nice looking serrated key pin in 3 with a double serrated driver. Then we have a multi-part key pin in 4. So if this hangs in the shear line, you're done. You will never get out of this problem. Together with a multi-part driver like this, and in 5 a serrated key pin with again a multi-part driver, and very interesting last pin stack. So you can see it has a telescope key pin and a 3-part driver. I hope I reassembled this correctly. Wow, this is an amazing work, and I just am really lucky that I got into this lock within, I don't know, maybe 7 minutes or so. Wow, awesome lock. So Trekmaster30, thank you so much for sending this lock to me. It was a great pleasure to pick, and was really interesting to check out these pins. Yeah, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking, cheers, and bye bye.